A typical player here. Today we're doing a YouTube video on, it's a how-to video, how to be telling you how to get your YouTube videos, get them on your USB flash drive, and put it into your, watch them on your Xbox One. First thing you need is a USB flash drive and a computer or laptop, and you need an app called player or something, but I'll show you in a sec. But here, see you guys on the Xbox One. Yeah, we're back, guys, on Xbox, and make sure, I forgot to say, this is a requirement. Make sure you download the media player, media player for Xbox One. Of course, I told you at the beginning. So it's download media player, and all your stuff, it should recognize the USB flash drive. And this is all my stuff. Okay, this is how I'm gonna do it. See you guys on the computer. Yeah, we're on a computer now. Today we're almost done. So the next step is go to. I'm doing the Star Wars recap song by the Warp Zone. I'm gonna copy their link, the URL, and paste it in this website. This website, online video converter, will be in the subscription below. Subscription below. And I'm so tired, that's why I'm not talking very good. But paste it, and this is all this video format. MP4 is the best for me. Okay, convert, and you have to, while this is converting, you have to take your USB flash drive out of your Xbox One and put it into your computer. I'm gonna do that now while this is converting, or down. It already converted it. Now I'm downloading it. What the frig? I don't know what happened there. Save and be right back. Okay, I'm back. Open folder. Continue without scanning. And all you have to do is go to USB, go to computer, removable disk H, and go to straight your video that you picked, whatever video that was on YouTube or on your computer, and go to put it in your USB flash drive. Waiting. Now it's on the USB flash drive, and see you guys on the Xbox One. Okay, we're back on the Xbox now, but if you're not already on in your apps, my games and apps, go to apps, and if you're not already in media player, press A on that, click on that, and USB flash drive should be there, and the video that you got off of YouTube should be there. And I'm just gonna play it for a sec. I don't want to get reported for copyright.
Star Wars has returned to resume its storyline. Between the last film and now, well, it's been a long, long time. If you've forgotten anything, we'll remind you now in a very detailed recap of how it all went down. Escape pod to Tatooine, Jawa sentient machines, young Skywalker sunset scene, R2 and...
Yeah, that's it for this video. I'm gonna try to upload this tonight. It's probably gonna be up and about tonight. So hopefully you enjoy. Always, your old pal, typical players out.